Yeah, I just need your YouTube videos. I'm just reloading over and over again so I get it. Over again so I get it. Been slacking? Oh hell no, you've been on Slack again. I knew it. Mm.
Yo,
Hello there,
yo,
Hey,
hello
it's the
Fredmaster.
man.
Yeah,
yo.
and Fredmaster
It's
and
Fred.
Chef.
Dude,
They, yeah, they both are here. Yeah. Also, Sorbet also made a pull request. But yeah, mine definitely.
Oh yeah, you're updating GitHub finally.
Mm? Yeah, it's gonna break at like some function that isn't loaded. It's gonna be like LL. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. It's because I haven't loaded that. I needed Sorbit's loader, but I know about it and I know how to fix it. Yeah. Merge. Probably merge mine into master and then try to merge Sorbit's also into master. That's the safest alternative. Yeah, you don't need to do those, but I just left them in case you needed. But we're not even gonna need like any of that because Sorbit's loader, you know.
Wait, does he
Yeah.
make a separate repository now for the loader?
Nah, it's gonna be in like the buff file, I guess, in here.
Okay, yeah.
No, I okay. Well, you can just merge his branch into this one, I guess. You're probably gonna have to do some merge conflicts also. It's not gonna be too bad. Yeah, it's like VK index or something. I don't know. Origin sounds like some Romanian name. Yeah. In Neovim, you're gonna fix them there.
By the way, Lucas, I've seen, I think XO is also using Neovim, and I think he got the syntax highlighting working for Zig and OpenXR. So maybe you can ask him how.
I don't know.
Yeah,
It's close to some shit.
yeah, just close.
How great.
Hmm?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Maybe, I don't know. No. You don't. Your Discord stream is real good. It's so good. These two squares are very good. Ah, yeah.
Oh, I mean what I know what you mean with the two squares.
Yeah.
See the animation when the screen has
It's
two.
the loading animation.
Hi everyone, today we'll go through how to easily manage merge conflicts in NeoVim. So I'm using this plugin called git-conflict.nm.
You're stalking so fast? Okay. Interesting.
management conflicts. To do that, I have two files here in my directory, new and test.
Nope. Nothing. Which is better?
Yeah, I'm in the
I create
YouTube
merge conflict in
stream.
both these two files and try to merge into a different branch that I have and see how that goes. First off, what I'll do is I'm in the dev branch. Let me just go to git checkout main. Right, and in here, what I'll do is I'll rename this variable to underscore low. And
Yo, I think the YouTube stream only got like 20 or like 10 seconds delay. It's actually insane. Never seen that in my life.
Rename this to A and this to, well, let me do X and Y. So let's do this and A to X and B to Y. So I have two files changed. I'll stage them and do main commit as my message. So these are my two files changed in the main branch. Now if I go to git checkout dev, right, and now if I change the X to be A, X to A, and that is B, right? So let's let that be B, and let me just commit this file first. I'll do dev commit here. And if I go to test.py, and here let me do, instead of underscore low underscore, I'll do low. Well, let's keep this low underscore, and then here instead of high, let me do high underscore, right? So all these variables have changed. Now I'll just change that and do dev commit again. So now what should happen is if I do git merge main to this dev branch, it should have conflicts in both these two files. So if I do at the bottom, if you see git merge main, so now it shows conflict, merge conflict in new.py, merge conflicts in test.py. So if I click enter, this is what this plugin does. It shows me a beautiful UI of what is my current change, which is in the current branch. So this, and what is the change coming from, let's say in this case, main branch, right? So now I can go to the other file as well. So if I go to new.py, that'll have the same thing as well. One, I'll do LSP stop just to make sure that the LSP is not trying to parse all these signs as well. And now this plugin also allows you to obviously choose which code that you want. So let's say I want a code that comes from the incoming changes, which is the main branch. So I can do git conflict and choose theirs. Right, so that chooses the code coming from the main branch. So if I can do that quickly, this plugin also has a feature to put all the conflicts in a quick fix list. So if I show you that, git conflict quick fix list. So let's see where that is exactly. Choose, there it is, QF. So now I can have all these conflicts in a quick fix list, and I can go through them easily. So let's say I have key mappings for choose theirs and choose, or I can have all these quick fix list. This one choose theirs, right? So that chooses the core conflict and choose.
Yeah, for
Now,
me it's also it works with C and C++ and like every library, but in Zig it doesn't work with like the Vulkan or XR stuff. I'm not sure why. I mean,
Theirs. This is what this plugin does. It shows me.
yeah.
That is B, right? So
Yeah,
let's
so
look at
yeah, CLS
here.
is
We do underscore
probably
underscore load.
something
We
wrong
don't
with
underscore
it. We need to fix it
keep
probably
underscore
somehow.
that obviously is that.
That's why, because Xorbit
So now what should happen is if
got
you
it
merge
working.
main to this dev branch, it should have merge conflicts into the
So
branch.
I don't know.
You get merge main. So now it shows conflict, merge conflict.
but VK dash XR dash loader. Loader. VS Code for VS Code for life. Yeah, yeah.
Harold,
Hmm?
is the GitHub now like updated to your changes? Like,
Yeah, kind of. Yeah.
okay, so the last thing in OpenXR is like the get Vulkan device requirements.
Um. Yeah. What you guys use? What? What file are you in? I don't know. Let him do whatever. Inside of the loader. Uh. Yeah, I used to go with him on this one. Yeah, I don't know. There's still some stuff we have to do though. This won't run at all. It's gonna be the same error, right? It's just linking. Oh. Your stream is delayed, my bad.
Hmm? No. Xorbit got it working. Like, and you, like, I just see it from the screenshots in the Wallenstein group. So, like, we can probably ask him. He even has like definitions of functions and shit. So
What? The continue with the debug, huh? Everything should work. We just have to like Yeah, we just have to couple, right?
Wait, Lucas, did you merge the loader into the master now?
Well, I won't do anything until the loader is in the master. Yeah. Uh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we can do like the workaround in the meanwhile, I guess.
Oh, wait, we don't have a session at the moment, right? Like at least I don't see it.
Yeah.
No. XR session. I mean XR session in the code. No,
Right.
I mean the thing in the code, the XR session
Yeah.
thing.
No, that isn't running. No.
Yeah. No, but so we could add that in the moment.
No, we have to do some other stuff. Lucas, do you want to make a live session? Or do you want to make live session, or do we make just pull request and shit? Yeah, that's the thing. We are working like everyone is working in the same
Mm.
spots, kind of. So yeah.
The Discord live stream it isn't really good. But if a live session works, it's fine, I guess. Oh yeah, no, it's good.
Ace code. What? If you resort to this code, yeah. Uh,
Wait, Lucas. Lucas, I think you haven't shared your live session thing yet. You do one. Yeah.
yeah, I'm coming in.
Oh, okay, yeah. Mm. No, I think it worked. No ways. That did work.
Yeah, that's just because the XR.sig is chaos and this one is like clean. But what we need now is a function to load in the Vulkan functions. It's kind of the same as the get XR function. So calling what? Yeah, but the issue is that we don't have a VK loader. We can't load the VK functions. So I'm gonna make that. We have an XR one, not a VK one. Not far. Uh, no. Wait, everything is so coupled together. Everything's so in each other. We can't just decouple something.
Mm.
Okay. Well, you can try. Yes. Sure. All right. It's because we're in the session. Yeah, my bad.
Yeah. So yeah, my life isn't working on VS Code.
I think so. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I'm still gonna work on Vulkan, but yeah, you can do whatever in OpenXR.
Mm. Wait, Harold, but I didn't quite follow the conversation you had with Xorbit, but I just heard he wanted to also make an loader for the Vulkan functions. Does he do it now, or
He's
do we need to make?
he's gonna make that, but we can just use like a thing for now, I guess.
Okay.
Uh, there is no
Mm.
heap memory in Vulkan.sig. Try running it now. Yeah. Wait, try running it now. I just need to. Yeah, that's easy fix. I'm trying to load the Vulkan functions. Sure. It should work now anyway. So yeah, now you can just look if you don't have any leaks. It's in the top. Well, in the top of the main. Well,
Yeah.
I don't do top of file, I do top of scope. My bad.
No, only instance on hand. Yeah,
I guess
yeah,
that's the best. I'm gonna fix it. Wait, it's easy.
yeah. Doesn't return the thing in here too. No, but it wasn't it the error that you passed in the address because it needs only to take two arguments.
Fix.
Oh, you're talking about that. Okay, yeah, yeah,
Yeah, but it's fine now.
yeah. That also threw me off.
Yeah, so it's alignment. You just have to do pointer cast. Oh, well, that's stupid. Okay, I see why. Bam. Yeah, yeah, but they looked so similar, So
Yeah,
usually when Sig complains about the type being like not being the exact same type, it's usually alignment. Anyways, I just didn't read. Yeah. Uh.
What else is new?
Okay. If you don't free it, you can count how many frees there are. Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Um. I don't know. Some.
So we freed too much memory. Yeah.
It's so shit not having LSP, bro. I hate this. It's garbage.
Or I don't even have syntax highlighting in the right thing. Oh yeah, I could also be.
Yeah, that's it. But yeah, I don't. I just have to look at something.
But should we focus on? We shouldn't focus on the leaks right now. We should focus on fixing the seg fault, right? Yeah. Great instance.
Try running it again. Okay.
We're back.
It's a Vulkan error.
Mm.
Yeah, but all of the extensions are gotten from the XR.
Mm.
Yes. I can try running it on my machine.
Yeah, do it.
That's just how it works.
Something this is only error is like fault, bro.
Yeah. Okay. I now have the session open for, I mean, the runtime. So let's run. Okay. It crashed, but it is to do with any. Ah,
Oh yeah, this should max. This should be max. Yeah, this should be max. Dot max API version. Yeah. No, yeah. Oh, nice. Which I will try right now. Because I try running it again. Hmm.
yeah, I have the same. I get the same one error extension not present. That's API version.
Yeah, but it should be API version also.
Yeah, it's a ternary operator basically.
Validation layer.
We can just print all extensions. I'll do
A good
that 1
point.
sec. The validate thing is not for Vulkan, it's OpenXR. Yeah. Yes. Don't remember, it's a toggle, I think that's it. Try run. We're printing all the extensions. At the top it should be or something. Okay, we don't have any extensions, it says. Oh, it's because we're trying to pass the pointer, I think. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, it's the thing is an ultimate strings. I just reads into the abyss and it's like, okay, this ends it. So it just prints nothing. Yeah, I know. Yeah, no, but also for the logging. We're trying to print out the extensions we get. Well, no, we have to get out. It only accepts 6 strings.
Mm,
No. Yeah, I've got to check something here.
yeah.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, now the stream can hear me too. Amazing. Okay. Drink some water. Water is good for you.
Mhm.
So the print can't take in C strings. That's interesting. I thought it would. But I need to read these things. We're gonna quite. Now that we know the OpenEXO ones from Vulkan, we need to actually initialize it. Initial Vulkan is quite long and involving process, so to go into detail here, except for the bits that are if you want in depth, you can check that. Yes. Also note from this point onward, we will be compiling shader as part of the build process, so you will need a global validation system on your system. Okay. First, create an instance using.
Yeah, we're not gonna do that.
First, we will create an instance using the information we gathered from OpenXR. Okay, last time. So I assume this one takes in the graphics requirements, yes, and then extensions, instance extensions. Wait a fuck.
They are doing out stuff with count because they don't have that in C++. Right?
Yeah.
That's the exact same shit we have.
Instance extensions. Yeah. Okay, instance extensions size. I just wanna quickly extension name, then you get those. Extensions. What? Okay, yeah, and then you just go through. You add to the last one this. And then
So they are trying to make the set they have into just what Vulkan wants, which is not a C++ set.
Yeah.
I don't like I ported this today, so I know what's going on.
Yeah, and then pointer enable extension names and extension names. And yeah, pointer enable extension names. And then you just put the null if the thing is not correct. Yeah, it should be fine. It's interesting because I thought that it would still run through like checking, but it should already. No, because the extensions that it gets from OpenXR should already be compatible and available to use, right? So why would it?
Yeah.
This doesn't.
I don't know. Just if you run the program, you can see what extensions you have.
No, I cannot see.
Okay.
But
Well,
these are these are the ones that it gets also printed there. But let's see that we actually get them here because it doesn't seem to be it. Error extension not present. Interesting. Wait, wasn't this why you wanted X orbits loader? Like, or is this not relevant to that?
this is not relevant to that.
Okay. EK creating graphics requirements. What the? What the? What the fuck? Oh, it returns the tuple, so that's why you have done it like this. Like, what the fuck is happening here?
Yeah. Also try running that maybe. Wait one second. I might have to check it in my editor.
Okay.
Okay. I don't know. Okay. we've done the dirtiest solution you could ever do, but I hope it works.
Wait, where is?
But
Okay, so wait. These are the extensions, right? And
maybe that's the issue.
no,
I
no,
see.
these ones are still fine. It takes.
No, because we are freeing it later. Okay, I have an idea.
Uh-huh.
Or you just make the random mistake.
Nah.
That would be crazy. Oh, what? Why would we? Why would you ever return the? That doesn't make sense.
Because we got a fleet.
Oh, so that's okay.
Try now.
But why do you need? I still don't understand. Why would you return it if you need to? Wait, okay, let's just run.
Because I don't know, maybe Vulcan is a lot.
Expected single pointer found type. The print that they tried to do. eBay. eBay C. Fantastic name. I love it.
Why eBay?
Because it's eBay.
He doesn't
Okay.
like. He wants to use printf from C library. There's the.
Yeah, it's just this here. Okay, try
Yeah, I
this.
know, but that's why eBay.
Because we
Root
can't
source
use
file struct C import has no member named print. Oh, printf. You need that your T.
Good. No.
PTR cast must have a known result. It doesn't know what the result is from this shit, so.
That's anything of great. I don't know, maybe that's.
Value of type C int ignored.
Okay. Didn't even know printf returned a int. Anyways, that's good.
Missing struct allocator. In return, struct.
Ah, yes.
Why did you pass the allocator? No, why did we allocator now?
Because we have to have the allocator to free it.
Ah. Okay. Wait, where do you free it then? Hello, Andrew.
At the bottom of the.
Yeah.
Okay, so okay. You didn't have to use it before for anything else. Oh yeah, because they were XRM Vulkan stuff. Yeah, okay, I see. That's why you didn't.
Yeah, they're just handles.
Yeah. Alright, let's see what happened now. So okay, now we get Vulkan extensions, nothing. And then we leaked.
Okay.
But still a seg fault?
Error extension not present. Line 54 now in Vulkan.
Try I like remove the C shit so it's run it again so we get the correct line.
Okay, so
Yep.
now we have extension not found line 48. Yeah, so it's still on the same problem. But it also didn't print any of the extensions. Like it's still saying like it's nothing there, which is.
Yeah, no, I removed the C because it didn't work. Yeah.
I don't know, Andrew. I haven't seen you do. I don't know. I don't like. Sorry, no. Not now. It's you don't talk. It's kind of hard to work with people who don't talk in the sense because it's like I can have more direct. I don't have to look at this chat all the time.
Try running now.
Okay, I was thinking just suggest doing the same, but no, Andrew, sorry. Sorry. Okay, let's see. Len is sixth, bruh.
6. Okay, so it does exist somewhat.
Yeah, and yeah, it should be 6 because it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then
And
the
an
yeah.
Terminator.
So yeah, 6 it should be. I can talk through comments, by the way. Yeah, I know you can. But I don't right now. Like, I don't know. I don't really need another. Like, T-Chef is also here, just waiting for something to do. So I don't think we need like more people right now in this. Well, I mean, unless if you.
Isn't Chef in the live session?
I think he is.
Was
But Andrew, yeah, I don't know if like, have you done something with Sig and Vulkan and OpenXR before? Or like kind of know something at least that we could fix, or in C, I guess would also, if you know C, it's also kind of, you can start to understand Sig. Sorry, Andrew. Okay. Wait, so it has to be a problem how we're passing them, right? Because it doesn't make sense that it would say...
I don't know, man, but we probably want layers, to be honest.
Yeah, but can... Okay, without through code, how do I enable... Vulkan enable layers. Is there just like a... I want to do it through the config, or what was the thing you told me one time?
VK config.
Is it just VK config?
Yeah, it's VK config.
And where is it located? In my etc?
It's in the Vulkan SDK, which should be in etc. Yes. Should be like slash like Vulkan SDK underscore Linux 8 something.
Right. etc. Oops. etc. Vulkan.
Cat. You mean ls?
No, I just wanna see.
What the fuck?
I don't have anything called. We don't wanna. Oh, sure, let's do those. I don't have anything in etc that is Vulkan.
Just do like find Vulkan -SDK or grep or anything like that.
And was it G? What was it? Q? I think it was Q. Sudo Vulkan. Let's just call SDK. I failed my password. Now I've no package called Vulkan SDK, so it's not called Vulkan SDK. Package Vulkan is not found. Cannot find anything with Vulkan. What?
Yeah, but do like doing it that way is shit. You have to do.
No, I just need to find.
Do like find.
And I don't have it. No, something called Vulkan. What? That's weird. I should have Vulkan. Arch Linux Vulkan SDK. Here. And let's see.
I sent you a command.
Where did you send it?
Private. Oh no, Wallenstein. Sorry, my bad.
Where?
Wallenstein, the
Wallenstein.
group chat.
Yeah, okay. Find. Bruh, how did I not copy that? Yeah, no, I don't have it.
Do the same find stuff, but I must send a new one. Wait.
But the where is should do the same thing. If I just do OpenXR, for example, there, it just finds it.
Okay, I sent you a new one. Wait,
VK
do the latest one. Yeah.
There in
Oh,
user
it doesn't save the stars on the side. Okay, well, it should be fine. Just yeah.
And then wait, do I just run it? Oh, but bruh.
Yeah.
It's just I don't even need to go there. I can just say vk config. And wait, I should be able to do that.
Oh, can you?
Wait.
GUI.
Yeah, UI? GUI?
GUI.
Yeah, alright. So, where do we have the
Vulkan layers location.
And then validate Lucas, yes. But how do you enable them? Aren't they enabled like this already, or do you have to do something?
I think you might just have to run the app or some shit. I don't know. Like I don't remember the VK config looking like this one. I just
include Vulkan loader. Oh, layers there. Boom. Let's do all of these. Wait, if I do drivers, will it tell when I try to do the thing? Let's see. I'm just curious. Oh, look at that! Searching for implicit layer manifest files in following location. Okay, these are the layers. Perfect. And look at this. This is also layers. Yeah, this is driver. I just clicked on see drivers. Well, I was curious what the fuck drivers are. But drivers we don't need. So let's not do that. Okay, so now we only see layers. And so this is the XR instance or XR layers. Then here Vulkan. Let's see. In following locations, what the fuck? Found the following. I don't know really what this is. Loading layers library libvk chronos validation. Insert instance layer chronos validation. And then here, searching for implicit layer manifest files. Loader validate instance extension not found in list of known instance extensions. What are we? What is the?
which extension? Which extension was not found?
It didn't say. It just said extension not found in list of known it doesn't say which one. But I'm curious.
Shut it to them.
Wait, let me just see one thing before we do that. We do take. You can create instance, right? Main. Here, vk instance. Okay, layers. Create instance and. But everything seemed to be alright. Wait, why does... Okay, no, this is... This is interesting. Okay, cool. Okay, I don't know. Now I'm just blah. Know what I'm saying? Well, wait, what happened in the chat? Hello, Killer Tales Rebel. Hello, Chupak. Stream lagging as it shouldn't be lagging now. I have fixed everything. Everything should be fine. Wait, let me just check that out real quick. It should be fine. Back. Stream lagging as like it's low quality, but it should not be lagging, right? Am I wrong? I can maybe increase the quality for another time. Not right now, but yeah. All right. It's time for GTPTT. We don't want to give this memory leak shit because that's not. We want to know why we're not getting our this thing. So I'm just gonna give it the information of this. Actually, instance extensions. So it probably knows about that as well. Oh yeah, we don't wanna this. Fuck that. Gemini. Let's give it all of that, and then I want to know this. and I think this is all relevant. I don't know about this, but we will also pass that in until there. Oh, come on. Boom. And let's see if it gets confused by those our prints, but the logs indicate that your application is encountered Vulkan issues error specific with the related instance extensions. Yes. Here's the breakdown issue. Vulkan extension is not found. Yes. Vulkan error extension not found list of known instances. Yes, this means that the application is requiring Vulkan instance extension that Vulkan loader or your system installed Vulkan drivers do not recognize or support. Looking at the extension list you provided, all of these standard Vulkan chrono extensions are the error messages extension not found. Strongly suggest that there might be a typo in one of the extensions being requested in your code or miss extension in the list of actual being passed. It's also possible through less likely before that there's common extensions that Vulkan drivers are outdated or corrupt. Oh fuck, it found a I've tried to avoid giving it the segmentation fault. But yeah, of course during the XR get Vulkan instance extension. Wait, what? You also see segmentation fault. This occurs during calls to the XR get Vulkan instance extensions. A segfault that address typically indicates that the null pointer was deferred in the context. It suggests that the buffer intended to hold the instance extension's null pointer or improperly allocated OpenXR runtime tries to write to it. This could be follow-on effect of the extension error. That makes sense. That the segmentation fault happens from here, and then it tries to do something which it should not, and that's why it breaks.
I have an idea.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you know that null terminator?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I'm just thinking like it says 5 extensions that you have that, right?
Yeah.
Oh, no, we have 6 extensions, but it says like
We have 5, but we have 5, but null termination is the last one.
But why would there be a null terminator in the array of extensions? Because that's just a normal SIG array. It's just elements inside that are null terminated.
Oh, yeah, that actually might be true then, that it tries to do something it should not. Can we hard write it to 5 just to see if that might be it?
We can.
Here, is it? No. This one, right? Oh. Wait, what? Oh, but no, extension length. You have to do this one also to 5, because otherwise it will say 6. Or -1, yeah, sure. The leaked error extensions not present. No, it wasn't that. Damn it.
Worth a try.
Yeah. But then it's something wrong in over here at the... Here, get Vulkan instance requirements. And then it's inside... Hello! It's inside the XR Vulkan instance... XR get Vulkan instance extensions chronos. XR get Vulkan instance extensions. Was it did it say instance? Yeah, instance extension chronos. So this one somehow fucks up. But that shouldn't be... What if I just allow it to be a leak? No steal. Yeah, now we have 2 leaks. Amazing. But why did you get to that conclusion? There's also a message related to OpenXR, specifically XR get Vulkan graphics requirements and XR Vulkan instant. The log indicates an issue that OpenXR functions likely is stemming from the understanding Vulkan problem. Verify the extension names. Double check Vulkan instance extensions you are requiring call with even a small typo can cause the error. Ensure that the extensions list at the top are exactly your code attempting to enable. Vulkan drivers, make sure that the graphics driver in your case are up to date. Outdated drivers can lead to missing Vulkan extensions. If you run this, what do you get?
I get the same.
You get the same, so it's not because I'm missing some drivers or something like that. The buffer capacity followed by buffer. Wait, what? Create instance in your VK create instance function. Carefully review the parameters being passed, especially the array or list request instance. The buffer capacity input followed by buffer null pointer, suggesting the issue. However, you are querying the size and then actual extension for typical call. Wants to get the required yes buffer, and when buffer is null pointer and then get again with the proper size before that. This is true. This is what we do. Temporarily creating a minimal Vulkan instance with the absolute fewest necessary extension AG VK Chronos surface if you're targeting window, but we don't even have a window. Let's actually try that. So we will go up here, and the extensions here. Let's not do a single extension. Oh yeah, but now we'll have issues that we're not using the extensions. So just extensions, like so. And let's see. Okay, so I think it continued. Then what? Get instance proc address. Sorry, it seems to be working. That the extensions are just weird that they're being passed.
Just yeah.
SIG66. Let's see. SIG66. So it's wait, SIG, which Vulkan dot SIG66. So this line. Wait, did you fix it already? Did something changed here?
Nope. I did that a long time ago, but it's just some stuff.
Well, something you fixed, because now it's not the same errors anymore. What the fuck?
Wait.
No, wait, yeah, 60.
Minute.
Yeah, get instance. No, never mind. It says though on line 66, but this is not the same line that we use. 66 would be this. Oh yeah, but this is it. So if func equals. Oh yeah, but this is the thing that you want to work. This was the. Wait. Was this the thing?
It is for the loaders.
Yeah. So this is what the xorbit was, and you wanted to right? Now we're on that part.
Well, yeah, but that's also because we don't have any extensions.
Yeah, no, yeah, that's also true. Okay, but that's interesting. Shall we? But we can also do this to try it from the main, you know. Pass in the extension as just a temporary other thing, right? We can create a extensions array here, and just see which. But how?
Yeah.
But how can it? Because it should query the extensions that should be possible to have. So I'm very confused. How can this even happen? It should not even be possible to happen. What the fuck?
Voice is a miss.
Yes, it is.
Harold, what are you cooking there?
He's making Lucas MC Dukas bro, no. I will actually.
Didn't you want to test it?
No.
You want to test it with other extensions?
No. I wanted to try it with. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Don't worry, I got a plan. I got a mega plan. Okay, look at this. Boom. So these are all of the extensions. So we can.
This is supposed to be an array, bro. But yeah, okay. Never mind.
Yeah, I know what I'm doing. I'm not dumb. Debatable. Not even debatable.
Nice.
Mm,
These facts.
So if you just do this one instead, and so now we should have forcefully. Oh yeah, do we still print the size now when it gets there, so we can actually see like what does this one say is the size now?
We can print.
Haha, you got so used to this standard C or the C library. Haha, stdio. Haha.
What the fuck? No, I just tried to do something.
I don't know, man. What is
There
the?
is stdio in this language also, you know.
Oh no, I don't think so.
Oh really?
Oh really? Ooh, I just found a spot that is itching so much. Okay, I felt like when I scratched it, it itched all the way to the back. Alright, let's see. So if that one says, could you do some... I can actually do it. That's not how we do it. This is how we do it. I'm just gonna... Fuck. Do some extra... What the fuck? New lines? What the fuck? I'm struggling here, okay. Okay, so now if I do this... Why? I am literally doing Control C. I can't copy. Harold. Okay, I can do this.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to do...
how can you program now?
I'm gonna do this. Boom. Yank. Paste, paste, paste. What the fuck happened? I wanted just some more new lines. That's all I wanted. Wow, that was hard. Okay. So now we should here. Now it says len is 5 though. So that's interesting. That's so that's his
Probably so corrupt. Probably some corrupt extension.
yeah, something bullshit extra there. But now we didn't get the problem. So it's something with the when we are creating the or am I reading it wrong? I don't see the error message. We have the leak.
No,
We have,
I have an idea.
wait, are we and we are enabling them? Yeah. Okay. So we are for some reason I have written that one, so nobody takes the blame here besides me. Okay, I have written the function that returns these extensions. So fuck. Is it actually like that's the
It's okay.
yeah. That's literally the only problem. Oh man, I was like, in no way that if you call that get the extensions that are compatible both with our XR and Vulkan, why would it return extensions that don't exist? But yeah, okay. What did you do? Did you change something?
I'm trying to do a little thing. Wait, maybe we can do. That shit doesn't work. Like I'm trying to. I want to print out the shit, but it's like C strings, and so yeah, I don't.
Yeah, but we are printing out the shit.
We aren't printing out the
Oh.
extensions,
Yeah, we are.
are we?
Yeah, right here. I'm just gonna do it inside of a pipe, this string, and see. Okay. Or should we print character by
Yeah,
character? Nah, that doesn't make any sense.
Nah. But like this is inside of the OpenXR, but yeah, sure,
Yeah, it's fine.
it works.
So, but here it still gives just the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and
Like if they are, we can, in the thing we have currently, take all those, and then we copy them over.
wait, yeah, I've done it. They are in the main here.
Okay.
But that means that the problem is in the split over here, probably.
Yeah, no, man, this entire function is totally, as we call it in SIG, fucked.
It's not fucked.
None of this is working.
No, all of this is work except for assume the split because this data is correct.
Bro, it's all Dupsy's fault, bro. I hate Dupsy.
Okay, well but are you sure it's not the split? Can we print the individual splits? We can probably do that. We can print the split, right?
Yes,
So
you can. You can just give it as any. So yeah.
Yeah, I know how to do this. Wait, it's like this.
The Zig Pro.
Yeah, I'm a Sig Pro. Watch me Sig right now. Extension.
I know what you're gonna forget.
No, I'm not gonna. I'm gonna misspell extension first of all. No, don't correct it. And then it's gonna be a. Is it like this, any? And then it's gonna be in here. It's gonna be.
Knew you were gonna forget it.
I haven't forgotten anything yet. I think. Oh, the new line, bro! I did the new line last. Okay, that's just how I roll. So yeah, I forgot.
And also the comma, but yeah.
But the comma was, you know, that the compiler would have caught that.
Even my LSP that is broken because of this code live session thing, even that told me about that, but yeah.
Okay, so.
So I'm using this code in the web now, so the live session works.
Oh, it
So
actually
I don't
has.
have any coloring, bro.
It has the last extension for some, which is really interesting because we split by space, right? So we split this,
well,
this. How does it get
yeah.
one extra space? No wonder that extension is not found.
Just do that's better.
Wait, what cool software for gaming? LSFG VK is good frame gen like thing, like good web browser, and VS Codium is a VS Code thing without trackers. Okay, I'm getting somebody take note there. But like, wait, am I what?
Run it now, run it now.
What did you do? What did you change?
I'm gonna print out the entire array at once.
But we already know that we have the split making an extra. Why do we want to? Why do you want to see more?
No, it's just
Why do you want to see
Run
more?
okay. Well, that shit sucks.
That's funny. Yeah,
Bro,
but we need.
why is it printing so bad?
But why do we? Okay, but the thing we need to. Why is split? I don't get it because I say split by space, right? There's no space at the end here, right? Is that a space? I'm just gonna copy it. And
No.
There's no way that's a space, right? Nah, that's no space. Okay, so then my question is, if I say split by space, how does it add one more empty at the end of this thing? That doesn't make any sense to me. I would understand if there
I don't
was
know
a
what
space at the end, then sure, I could see that being a problem. But when I don't have one,
Yeah, but
I
there's easy fix.
wait, hey, oh no, Lucas, no, word counter of more than 3. YouTube is willing be angry. YouTube 900 VC minus 9,998 AD. Or 2, what? I don't get it. Less than equal, what? I'm lost. But yeah. So... but that's so weird. What did you change any? No, you didn't change anything. The rest, what? So, oh wait, but when you say next, is the end iterator included here, and it doesn't, and it still goes with the end iterator? How does SIG iterators work, bro?
Yeah, you do next and it gives you the next.
Mm-hmm. Also, Xorbits wanted us to not use dupe and just use the allocated memory and just.
Yeah, I know.
This-
Dupe
this-
C is garbage. Hate that shit. But
This-
it's okay.
This, if anything, looks horrible.
Yeah, but we're just checking if it's empty. And then if it is empty, we just continue. And then it will be null.
Now
so,
it passed
yeah.
in 5 with the wait, but we changed. Did we update it in the main? I don't think we did. What did you try to do anyways? Can I give a next video idea? Well, have you got a triangle yet? No, we haven't gotten a triangle yet. We have not. I have been doing other shit this whole day. So
It would be pretty optimistic after like 1 week.
Yeah, but I think we will during this week we will still get the triangle. I'm pretty confident about that.
Yeah.
But yeah, these guys have been doing amazing work. I have the elite of the elite people working here on this thing. Trust me,
We all are stupid, bro. Andrew knows what he's doing. Sorbet knows what he's doing. I think. I know nothing. I don't know what's going on.
Oh,
they are
I know
lying.
negative, bro.
These people are the best of the best.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See
We're
that
the best
our
of the
family.
best if you compare it to no one. Yes.
It's the best of the best if they're the only thing you have.
Yes. Try running this maybe.
But wait, so you changed it now back to the actual VK
Yeah.
instance? Yeah. Okay. How do you even know if you're on the correct path? What did you do today? Today we have just been fixing restructuring and on memory leaks. How I know if we are on correct path? Because I know where everything is supposed to go. We're just having issues translating to C and from C to SIG. But besides that, everything is perfect. And I know like this is how it's gonna work. I have read too much documentation. I'm still reading documentation. Okay, but we still how is this? Okay. Now we've got error extensions not present. But now we have at least the correct length. And okay, so another issue could be then that this that we are passing in is not the same, right? Yeah, we will get the window. Don't worry. Everything is Hakuna Matata. And if it doesn't
We
work,
won't get a window because there are no windows.
oh yeah. And if things doesn't work, then I guess I will switch back to Ubuntu. And if that doesn't work, I'll go back to Windows. But
Oh yes.
I won't get that desperate.
Okay, well then I hope it doesn't work. Then I'm gonna make this not work, so you switch to Ubuntu.
No. And if that doesn't work, no, that's gonna work, bro. It's gonna work. It's just it has to work. It's going to work. It's gonna. All right, but this is really interesting. Video scene idea: Polygon with monoculus and a top hats drink tea and talk about Vulcan in a very heavy British accent. Oh, monocles. I couldn't pronounce shit right, could I? I was like, what the? Polygons with a monocle and the top hats drink tea and talk about. Okay, let me. Well, Harold, Harold. I think I know the issue. It's I think we are not passing the pointers or the strings there correctly.
Yeah, that's why I'm gonna check.
All right.
So run the program.
Wait. Let me just. I wanna do this. Here we go. We want. How do I enable with? I should be able to enable with audio. Let's see. Let's see
hot wings there.
Let's see what it generates. Okay, I will run this thing. And let's see. We got 5.
You'll know.
What was the thing?
You'll know when you see what.
What was the thing you tried?
Scroll up a little.
Up.
It just help me, and then.
Help me.
Yeah.
Well, this is the XR stuff, so it should not be here.
Well, it should be in XR stuff because trust me.
But this is the instance. This is done after the instance is created.
Oh, well.
Then it should be here if it's after the instance is created. Oh, it's done. I don't see a help me anywhere.
You can probably just do grep.
Yeah. Fuck. How do you do a grep? Grep. Can I just say help? Don't think I did. I do. Maybe I need to pipe it. Oh no, I need to change the output. Oh wait, help me here. Well, that's. I don't know what that is.
Wow, that's really descriptive.
Yeah. Oh wow, polygons! Look at these polygons. But why didn't you generate with audio? I thought it would be able to generate with audio as well. It should. Let's. I can. Let's do another one. Let's go here. AI gen, video gens. Yeah, it should have a option to audio, bruh. And I will change your thing to triangles with monocles and a top as T and talking about Vulkan in a heavy. Let's see if it can enhance this prompt. I have AI to enhance my AI prompts. How about that?
Both vibe coding his AI prompts.
A fine scene unfold as three distinguished geometry triangles, each sporting a monocle and a dapper top hat, gathered in a upper drawing room. They elegantly sip tea from the blah blah blah. The triangle forms poised in sophisticated archers of them. Okay. Da 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 da. Extra accent reason with high blah 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 sophisticated. Okay, but each sporting on a gleaming call top pack. But they are not talking about. They are talking about the graphics API Vulkan. Perfect. Okay. But okay. Let's see. Did you? What did you?
I did nothing.
You did nothing. But it's interesting because we are taking. What is the fuck?
Typ C, bro. Typ C.
But let's fuck Dupsy then and do something else instead.
Yes.
What does Dupe C even do?
It's just duplicate.
It destroys everything.
It's because what I want to do is I can maybe show. I'm very because what we do is that we allocate all of the things, you know, in one array, like each extension. Wait, I think I have an explanation somewhere around here about this exact problem.
Yeah, no, then splitting by space and get them into like one sense. Yeah, but
so what I do is I literally just duplicate each block and store them in an like a singular their own array, you know.
So basically just mem copy.
Yeah, mem copying them. But what we could also do is just set a pointer then null terminate, and we could just use the same memory block. Yeah. We wouldn't have to do this. How is the stream, by the way? Is it at least somewhat like, I don't think it's the best quality. I reduced the quality, but try to have it at least so you can follow along in somewhat a good manner.
I think as long as the delay isn't like greater than 1 minute, it's good.
Let's quickly see. Oh, here's our beautiful...
The API Vulkan, you see, is a grand leap forward.
Quite so, my dear chap. A remarkable advancement indeed.
Absolutely. It's truly quite revolutionary. The API Vulkan, you see, is a grand leap forward.
Quite so, my dear chap. A remarkable advancement indeed.
Absolutely. It's truly quite revolutionary.
Oh, we feel that's how we are after like learning Vulkan more.
I think this is fucking great. We'll post this somewhere. I will download. Save it in downloads. Yeah. I will call it. What will I call it? Triangles Vulkan. Somebody talked about triangles and Vulkan. Didn't quite get it, so this is what I did. Okay, how big is it? That is a size.
Hey, that's what she said.
Oh, bro, come on. I'm gonna send it in our server so other people can enjoy this beautiful masterpiece.
Yeah, put it into art.
Art should it's AI. I oh no, my Discord. No, I cannot navigate on Discord anymore. It's frozen. Can I do a reload maybe? Okay.
Damn, that's a big rip.
Yeah, because I was supposed to upload a file, and then I didn't see an X button because I was thinking should I do it in art, and then I clicked on the side because I didn't see an X button, and now my whole Discord I can't navigate in it. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Should I just... I will just force quit it and start again. That's not how you force quit it.
Solution or problem.
Yeah.
Use buffers.
Wait, let me just p-kill Discord. Okay. And then I can start Discord over again. Hello? Jesus, what am I back to?
Hello.
Just yeah. Okay,
Welcome back.
now we'll upload the file without problems, right? Downloads.
Yeah, about that. Welcome to Wayland.
Yeah. Okay, boom. There. Now everybody can enjoy this beautiful thing. Let's put it once more up here, am I right? For everybody. One more time.
The API Vulcan, you see, is
Where
a
is this
grand
at?
leap forward.
Quite so, my dear chap. A remarkable advancement indeed.
Absolutely, it's truly quite revolutionary.
It's kind of hard to know, like, who the fuck is
AI,
talking?
Did you generate this from like Gemini or something?
Yeah. No, not Gemini.
No.
It's Envato. I have a license to do it, so I'm allowed 30 AI generated videos per month. So it's like all of them are talking at the same time. It's like who is actually talking, and then all doing hand moves. Like I don't know, man. This is confusing. Okay, what did you change? You. But now you're doing an actual mem copy.
Yeah,
Oh man.
it's called a buffer.
You just, I think this you just made it worse. Why not just dupe set?
No, do set is heap memory, bro. We don't like that.
But isn't... What are...
No, it's not.
No, you're just copying it over to this one,
Let's
Say what?
and
We
then
hate heap memory, okay?
and then you slice
That's
it,
not the-
and then you null terminate it, and then you free.
We don't slice it. We actually just set it to have an null terminator, and then yeah, for sure.
Wait, let me get this straight. First, why do we have this trim thingy here? Oh my god. Why do we have this trim thingy here?
What's string fee?
No.
No, we need that for the length, bro.
Do we? Let me try one time without it.
Yes, because otherwise it will just... Yeah, I don't know.
Expected type found, so it's not a C pointer, it's just an array in the null append null terminated. Yes.
Easy peasy.
Okay. That will be a bit interesting. Expected type. It's still not a. Yeah, it's not that. Pointer cast.
Yo, who,
Oh
is that
wait,
me DCing?
DC.
Oh, I'm not sure.
If I know I don't like I do take occasional like few breaks when I go grab tea or something like that. So. And also I still like to just talk about these things. Like if you call micro breaks when I just talk and think about stuff, you know. Like if writing code and reading documentations, they are break from one another, you know. Replace the ID of the video with.
Right, I think that was me actually. Wait, it was just normal.
I'm gonna come.
Hello?
Don't know.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I was about to ask, is that a rickroll? I was like, let's check it out. If this streams, maybe I take breaks before him. um, this goddamn sound word. Let's see, but okay, okay. You need to explain to me this just in a bit. Does it run though? No. Does not support field access. What is a field access in a
When you do
sliced,
dot and then the
sliced,
field, that's yeah.
yeah, but like slice.len, doesn't it have a len? This slice should have len, right?
The buffer. Yeah, but buffer doesn't have.
Okay, but wait. Oh. Okay, so oh wait, this is not in our code, it's in there. Okay, okay, I see now. But wait. Okay, but so the append thing, so it copies over the information to this located spot.
I don't know, man. This entire shit should be redone.
What?
Completely.
The only
with
thing that you
just,
can redone
buffers.
is this literally while loop. Everything else has to be this because it's the Vulkan like function calls. They can't be done.
Yeah.
So we are literally remaking the whole thing that you're talking about.
I mean that would be good, but we ain't gonna do it because we engineers. We don't do.
Well,
we don't.
that's
do that.
kind of what you're doing right now when you're rewriting this while loop. The only thing that can be redone is the thing that you're doing right now.
Yes.
But okay, I'm still like, wait, what the fuck did you do, bro? You were on a good track. Why did you undo it,
Bro, ChatGPT success. I'm gonna switch over to Gemini.
Yeah, Gemini is better.
And any AI that uses DupC, I will not use.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that either. But wait. Okay, I'm just gonna ignore this one for now because I don't think. But okay, so you have a buffer. You still to be undefined. Oh wait, so this one is being recreated also for every while loop, and then you mem copy 0 slice. So you copy the whole slice over. You just hope that 256 will be enough for this.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think it will be longer than that. And
Yeah.
256 is still stretching it like way too long. But you know, it is Vulkan. So
if there is, then we will probably get a complaint about it, and we put it to 224. Biggie. Anyways, and then after that you say buffer the len of the slice, so this one plus 1, and then okay, I don't know. I prefer this one, so I'm just gonna change it to that one. And null terminated slice is equal to, and then you pointer cast it. But why would you? Can't you just? Wait, whoa, no.
Whoa, what?
Can't you just do? Why do you have to do this? Can't you just say this? Oh no, because then you will get the whole thing. But won't it understand to stop at the?
No. It doesn't.
You won't? How much did I undo here now all of a sudden?
Very much.
Fuck.
Okay, guys, I need to go now because we're train now.
Alright,
So, yeah.
good luck.
So yeah.
See ya, good luck with
I just joined. Did you
thing.
try
Yeah.
the game? What? Hello, Sand. What game? What game? What game are we talking about? So. So wait, you take from the buffer from the start, and then slice plus 1 to get Wait, you don't need to do... The len should already in itself be the null terminating character.
Why?
Because if you have, say, hi, for example, the len is 2, but
Yeah, no, I'll just trust you.
and then, yeah, exactly, right there too. Okay, and then you free this, and then you append. Yeah, this one should make sense. Right.
Nope. Now it makes sense.
Unexpected.
Yes.
Type const found. Okay, it doesn't have the const in between there. In.
Done.
Okay. Oh wow! Look at that. It ran through small extension, small alloc at panic source destruction argument have no equal length. What the fuck is that supposed to mean?
Ah, okay, I know why.
You know why? What does it mean? Tell me what it means.
Down.
No, what
Just needs to specify the length.
Where? Oh, this thing.
Everywhere. No, up. There. Yeah, I said it's slice dot lender. Yeah,
What was it
slicing
before
syntax.
then?
Just dot.
Ah, okay. Okay, so now we got len 5 in there, and then we have the leak error extensions not present. So now we're at the same problem, but now at least we don't do any extra allocations. Wow, look at that! The dupe is gone. So I think that's a win still though. But Jesus Christ. Error extension not present. Okay. So we still have the problem with the extensions not being present, but now we store them. Can we print them here? Like std.
We can print the slice if you want.
I know. I want to print the actual.
It's gonna be the same.
Actual extension. Yeah, that's, and then it's gonna be any. Oh, okay. What item? I think they're called extend. Could you actually, if you just do extensions, I want to get all of the nasty information, even though it's.
That will just give you pointers.
Will it? Wait, let me see.
Yeah.
I don't trust you.
Okay. Understandable.
Yeah. Here. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so now if you do the thing that you wanted. Items.
Yeah, it's gonna be pointers, I think.
Is it? Okay. Well, I can actually use that to print. I will put it back in. Right, oh yeah, because it's a live session, I'm undoing your stuff, bro.
Yeah, that's little Brumont.
Extension dot asterisk.
Not gonna work, but we can.
What does dot asterisk mean?
It's just they refresh as the pointer.
But why shouldn't it be in the front?
No, it's different here. It's better.
Required for unknown length pointer. Index syntax
Yeah.
required for unknown length pointer. Yeah. What did you change? Oh. Syntax required for unknown. It still says that unknown pointer length.
Bruh.
But can you just do? Well, any wouldn't help.
I have an idea. Try use that. Probably not gonna work either, but it's yeah.
Oh. Well.
What?
That's
Great.
Oh wait, so it's interesting. It's putting the same one all over the same. Wait, are we even iterating? Yeah, we're iterating this one. So this one is being copied incorrectly. Do we even get a new buffer for this? Like when you append, like it doesn't take.
Yes, it resets.
And it also, when you append, it also copies memory over. It doesn't do anything with it. No, wait, append, extensions, instance extension size. Wait.
I don't know, man. Like this entire thing, like having an array list for this isn't very good, I would say.
Should we instead just do it, return the sig, and then later on convert it then? Is that easier?
What?
Like if we did a return a sig kind of like double pointer array, or
No, that's not really help.
okay. Okay, wait, let me think
No,
this
no.
through. So here, why now? Okay, because extensions. Okay, wait, what the fuck are we trying to do? Because this thing over here, what is this? This is just a. Why do we allocate so many of them?
Because that's how much we have.
But this one isn't this the first pointer, the pointer array, right? So why are we allocating for the size of the whole string? We should just be allocating for the amount of extensions we have to begin with. This is like, or am I tripping? Isn't that what we're doing right now?
Nah, you're not tripping. This is better. Try this.
But now you're not giving it. Oh, okay, so now it will allocate the size when it does shit. Okay.
Yep.
No, expected error.
I shouldn't have a try.
I shouldn't have a try.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep, that's good.
Invalid format string S for type U size. I don't know where this. Oh, here we can read. It comes from.
Done.
Okay.
Done.
Okay, now we're still back to this, but now at least we have less memory allocated. We don't need that much memory that it gave us. So we're just doing more allocations then, right? Shouldn't we? We should.
I would like to print just the raw extension data also, just to see.
But I'm still confused, like how can, because we go through each and every one of them and then we append, so append should, why is it still the same extension every time? Message
I don't know,
needed
try
by
running this.
okay.
Gremlin? What?
Gremlin.
Okay.
What did you want to see?
To go to the extension data. Okay.
But that is what we're printing up here. It's the same thing. You're printing the same thing twice now.
Yeah. Like I think it's a split scalar. Like I'd never used that. I do split any.
Okay, can you print in the while loop?
Yes, but don't do that. No, it's good. Try running this. Like split scale. I think split scalar is the issue.
Expected type ucons found.
Yes.
Oh yeah, so now it wants
I see.
Okay.
I see why split scalar exists now, but yeah, I just want to.
It still has this thing, but okay.
Maybe we can use tokenize.
Can you print in this while loop? I want to see. I don't know how this thing.
Yeah, we can do that. Yeah.
Oh, wait, why am I asking you?
I know what you mean.
I can literally do it myself.
Okay, good luck.
Well, I got this. Debug dot print. Okay, are you doing it?
I'm doing a different.
Okay. I'm just gonna call it slice. Slide. And what is this slice anyways?
It's a string.
Okay.
Having issues on it. Anyway, try this.
Okay.
Now we have a shit ton of debugging.
Yeah. Root source file struct is it has no member name.
No, yeah, bro.
Okay, you can't spell print for shit. And I'm the one to judge.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. Slice. Yeah, okay, the slices are correct, and the null pointer strings are correct. So it's something when we append them, they all are using the same pointer then, apparently. Somehow.
You know what my reaction to that is?
But how is that possible? Because shouldn't this be correct, right? None of this should be static. It should also create a new buffer every time, and even if it was the same buffer, right? You still override it.
Yeah.
So it shouldn't.
With garbage memory.
Yeah, like it's even if it was the same, like let's say it had a long last time, and then now you get a new one, then it would still just memcopy and override those and put a null terminator, so it still wouldn't even matter that they're shit in the end. Like I don't get it how this is. I don't get it. How can this? How? Memcopy buffer from the
One thing we can do,
slice.
we can print the array inside of the loop. I have an idea.
But and then even this thing is correct. So the only problem could be this append. The append is the only one that could be broken.
Try it. Now after every single append, it will print all of the ones. It's gonna print it all like 10 times.
Did it save?
Yeah, you can see this. Yeah. You see this, it says the... What the... Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So it print
it gets the
all
right
of the things.
Yeah. And then the last one, they overwrite the... So they're using the same pointer. Oh, because we're appending pointer. We're appending pointer. Yes, it makes sense. What? Okay.
Try that.
No, we cannot do that because extensions are a array of pointers. So these individual ones, yes, they are.
No.
Index syntax required for unknown pointer, but because these ones, they're just pointer array. And when we give it the same, so wait, the buffer is the same all that. Wait, but it needs to. We cannot have a heap memory. We must have stack memory. You must use stack memory.
But the buffer resets whenever
heap,
you
what the fuck?
run it again.
Yeah, and that's a problem. Because
Okay, but the buffer is only for the current one.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, I see.
Because what we're doing is just we're basically getting this, and then you have this local memory right here, which is the buffer.
I see.
And then
I already know what's going on. Yeah.
So we must allocate new memory for each and every one of those. So dupe, we must do dupe.
But dupe didn't work either.
Yeah, because we had another issue, then we have fixed that issue. It was a different issue we had back then, but now we can use dupe with this. But we cannot use this buffer. You don't have to undo everything, we can still use the print to check that everything is fine.
But we need dupe.
But I can get dupe. We have the commits on the GitHub. So I just copy paste it in.
Okay.
And well, it doesn't matter that I'm inside here. It's in the XR. And then I can just search for dupe. There. So literally just this. Boom. And then it's instead of this, it's gonna be this. And then we can... So then it will be this. Yeah. So then it will now slice, it will do... Is it null terminate? It's... How is this?
Yes, it is.
Oh yeah, because it has that, okay. And then it will just append it, the pointer, and then it will do... we do not free these ones anywhere. Do we have to do that? Should we worry about that later?
Okay, so about memory. Yeah, worry about that later.
Okay. Okay, so here, now! 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, they are correct. Len is 5. Memory leaks, memory address leaked, memory address leak, memory address leak, memory address leak, memory address leak.
Yeah, it's a leak for every
yes.
single dupe, so...
But now it works. So it's now we just need to make a free. Do we do that? Do we put the defer here, or do we put it in? Do we free it like later after we have created the instance? Like, does that one take care of it, or how does it work? How do you do it in Zig? The best way.
I have an idea. What if we made a huge buffer for all of them?
Well, we already got them in the instance extensions data. Oh
Okay,
my god.
But we're not gonna use that. Can't we just reuse that?
We can reuse that. Oh my god!
That's perfect.
We literally just have to assign pointers. But we have to, yeah. So this one just take the pointer,
we can get...
the point that you don't even need to null terminate it, because I think we can just replace all the spaces. Oh yeah.
Yeah, we can replace all the spaces with the null terminator.
Yes, and then plus at the end.
Yes.
I have already a space, and then we can just yeah, we can do that. Hell yeah, let's do that instead.
How do we even do that though?
It's easy. We will not be needing that.
Okay, well then you do it.
Okay. So here we go through each slice. We will use the slice. Wait, plus. Okay, I'm gonna sketch it down first. It's easier to think like that. Okay. Let's just say they are... Do I have... Okay, I'm gonna write them here instead. We have ext1, ext2, okay, sure, ext3, and ext4. Yeah, I think 3 is enough, we don't need to show that many. And then we will have a space between each of these, right? Or we'll make the string so it will be like this. Yeah, the leaks make sense. Don't worry about them. We are fully aware where each leaks come from. This is how the one-dimensional string will be. So we just need to get, when we get the slice, this will be the slice actually, right? We just say we need a last, which is equal to 0, and then we say the pointer points to the address of last. So this one, and then last becomes slice len plus 1. No, wait, do we need... No, just len, because then it starts from... Yeah, but plus 1, yeah. Because we need it from here. And then that is the new last, and then we can take this one, do the same thing until we reach the last. Yeah, this will work. So we can go in here.
We don't even need the array list then.
The array list... We need this one.
No, we don't need that.
That's just the thing that will
No,
return.
I'm thinking, can't we just like split it up in an array, because the memory is already laid out perfectly for what we want.
Yeah,
right?
but the Vulkan expects a char pointer. So we cannot do that.
Yeah.
We need one that looks like this. We cannot have the one next to another. We need something that points like this in memory. Wait, it needs to look like this. And then this is... Why can I not... Why did it broke? Okay, this is what we need. We don't need them next to each other. We need them to be looking like that, so that we can iterate these ones. You know? Or that is what the Vulkan C
Yeah.
library will use. It will go over the pointers like this. But we have it like that. But we need it to be like this.
Do whatever that works.
So a var car. I will call it last. U8. No, U8 won't be enough. I will do a U16. That should probably be enough, right? Like so. Unused, yes. And then we say that it's gonna be like this. How do I do it? Try. And I can just take this one up here. So. And can I just say slice? Oh wait, but I need to make it null terminated, don't I? No, because we will get. Can you make so that these ones are null terminated instead of? Wait, no, because they should be. They are sliced, so we need. Fuck.
Yeah, I know what you want. Yes,
Because
that is possible. Yes. I have an idea.
Okay, you do that.
You could even call it a plan.
Okay, you have a plan.
Okay, so my idea is that we replace all the spaces with a null terminator, and then we split the string with the null terminator, and then we can just append all based on the index and shit, and it's super duper easy.
Oh yeah, so then we just do append. Is it like this? Wait, last ...
No, yes.
I don't know how to do this.
We're not even.
I will just write
Yeah,
what I
that's fine,
think what it should be, and you do the thing that's how it actually is. Append last. Do I need to last plus slice? Yes. Oh my god, it was from here that we had the extra space at the end that fucked everything up. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Okay. But do we even need to split it anymore?
Nope.
So we will just iterate through as a while loop until we find this Wait, how the fuck does... The fuck are you doing?
So split scalar removes that one.
Redeclare of local variable instance extension data.
Yeah, with a slight problem that the split scalar removes the null terminator.
Yeah.
Now a little pointer cancelator should fix it.
I was thinking, is it just better than to just iterate until we find a null terminator and then paste, like, as a normal while?
Nah.
What? I think it would be way better. But sure, you can do this as well.
I'm just thinking about what you said. Like what you said could work.
It will work.
And probably will work. Yes. The thing that I'm doing right now, I have no idea if it works. It might work. But your idea is more complicated to do. So let's try this.
It's just a while loop with an index.
Yeah.
And it's just, you don't even have to do the split then. You literally just use this raw data that we have here. And it will work.
Yep. But just do this for now.
What the fuck?
Just try it. I just want to see if it works. We'll do your thing probably.
Root source file struct has no member named replace all.
Yeah, probably is better.
But did you change it already? Oh, okay. Let me.
Wait, I know.
There's just replace scalar. Oh, okay. Perfect.
Yeah.
Expected type U8 found const. Ah.
Okay. Down.
Something is
I
still.
thought
Oh yeah,
was like,
there's two of them. Okay. Expected type U8, so an array but found void in replace scalar. It's here.
yeah, it probably wants a buffer and shit. Nah, you used to what you said.
What did you pass in instead? Ah, okay. So we're doing my beautiful while loop. Woo!
Yes.
But we still.
And by you.
We still need though. Well, we can also just say that the last one is a space, and we can do this because they are not null terminated right now. But that's fine because we can just do it on our own. Vulkan OpenGL direct easy web and OpenCL, which is worst? I don't know. I have only used Vulkan of all of those. So I guess WebG. Nah, maybe not. So let's see if I know how to create a for loop in. Can you just say for I? Is there a fancy way to do a for loop in Sig, or is it the traditional way?
How do you want to make a for loop?
I just need
what do you want to iterate over?
I just need a index and I. Okay.
Okay, how big? To what number?
Can we get this? Yeah, we have the size. Yeah. +1. Yeah, perfect. And then, so now we have the index, and then I also need to keep track of a last, because otherwise this will not be funny. Var last u16 0, and then in here.
We ain't doing no U16s in here.
What are we doing then?
Well, are we gonna use last for like slicing or anything with arrays?
It's gonna be keeping track of where the string will start in the array. U8 won't be enough. That's only 256.
But can we just keep track of the? Okay, you want to do it like that? Okay.
Well, we could keep track of the size.
Yeah.
No, because we also need the whole thing. We cannot just say
I just thought of like the amount of null terminators, you know.
But then you would have to iterate over them multiple times to get to the same position.
Yeah, so we can just do it like this.
You got to go. See ya. No, not you, Harold.
See ya.
You stay.
Yeah, I know. I can't live.
But then we have this thing basically, and in here. So what I wanted to do was that if the instance extensions data I is equal to a space, that means that now we have reached this thing. So then we can do this, try to append it. We will try to now we need to append from last to I. How can we do that from instance extension data? Can you do that? I will write the last.
What I was writing some shit. What?
So we need to we need to append from last position to I position. Can you do that in the append? I don't know how it's supposed to be written. It's from, well, fuck, okay. I can it's from you need to take it from instance extension data. So the array starting from, well, I guess this is also normal C syntax. I could probably do it myself, I guess.
Yeah, like I have no idea what you really want, you know. So
okay, wait. Okay, so maybe I need to null terminate it. Okay. So this is basically what's happening. We are going through all of these, and then we find this character. So now I have index, let's say it's 5, and I have index 0. How can I get from an array this block in sig? I need only this thing.
Oh, that. You do the index and then dot dot and then to what other index you want, and it will give you everything between those two.
Yeah, but how it's from the instance extension data, so you can do that. Okay.
Well, yeah, but you actually want to do it from like that. Those are the numbers where you want it from. You know.
Yeah, like this.
What indices?
Interesting. So now it will take that, and then it will take the next one, and I think that should be it. Oh, right, it won't be it, because we still need to null terminate this shit. Yeah, and the end will be... So actually what I will do is this. Maybe there's a better way to do it, but I will do it like this. Nah, not then. Instance data I equals 0. And then it will be null terminated for every time. And it should start off from the next position. Yeah, okay, let's see how it runs. Expected type U8. Found unused size. Wait, you cannot do this? Do I have to cast +1?
Nah, it's just because last is a U size. Oh, I mean a U16.
Okay.
Is a solution.
Let's see. So wait, what? I'm reading this wrong. I need to do a bit this. Okay, let's see. So here I'm grabbing help, bruh. That's better. Okay. And then it goes to here, and then let's see. It gets then 5. And then it's a seg fault. Okay, probably I have done something wrong still. But it's almost there. You know, it got these ones, and then I'll end 5, and then it's a seg fault. Information create instance. Yeah, so I probably am doing a null termination wrong, most likely. But it's interesting that this got printed correctly without any issues in both cases. Extension data. How are you printing these ones? Are you using a C to... no, you're not using... Wait, this thing. Wait. This is the extensions, which is this. Then we have this, which is this. And then these ones. Are these C strings pointers that you're printing here? No, you're...
We are just pointing whatever is in there. I don't know. What is in XT? It's yeah, it's a C string, but you know.
I'm just thinking, because there's a seg
Just
fault when
like-
it creates the extension, and I assume it's because I'm failing to null terminate one of these, probably the last one.
Yeah, I just add the null terminator to the last one.
Yeah, but it's like it should. Okay, because we allocate the string size, or like +1. Do we need that big of a... If it says that it's high, that will be 2. Then we allocate 2. Yeah, so that will use, but then we say +1, so it's 3. Yeah. And then here, print that data, it's correct. Then we create this allocator, which appends this one, and then we put a space at the end of this thing, because we have the whole... what? And then here, we go through extension size +1. So it will go through to the end. As long as it's less... Should we be +2? No, because I don't want it when it's equal. Do I? Because what this segmentation fault, right? Yeah, everything is correct. Like you can see, it ends in the correct. This is the only thing I'm unsure about. Does it have? Can we print the last character of a string? Because then
Yes.
they should say null terminator, right? For every string, because we
Yeah.
append with a string.
But then we gotta know the length.
Yeah, we can get the length from here because we have where it starts and all of that. Actually, yeah. I don't even need your help. I got this. But
Okay.
But that's no, I don't get it. I don't get it. This doesn't make. Okay. I'm just gonna do a. Why am I trying to do a console log? std debug print. Wait, are we even? Okay, probably should not do that. Because this should happen 5 times. Okay, maybe I'm not. Maybe it's not even the issue. It's not even here, which would make it super fun. Oh, I forgot the new line. You don't say anything, alright? So it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. I don't know. It says that a seg fault happened during the initialization, and the only place where that could happen if it's not null terminated correctly. Let's try again using this thing and just passing extensions into here. Extensions. Do I have to? I don't. Okay. Because then it does the same, and that it's just memory leaks, and then it's this thing. Yeah. So I assume it worked. So I'm failing at null terminating the thing.
Can we get Andrew in here? He's like the god of arrays.
Let's check. Oh wow, we have been talking in the chat here. It's in my profile. Sorry guys, I missed all of the things because I got. Okay. Can we get him? I'm gonna ping him. Where is the chat?
Your phone is ringing.
Your phone is ringing. Andrew, you got time? Because this one should be fine. I'm pretty confident about it. It feels like it should at least be fine. It gets all of the thing, but it's still not. I don't think it is null terminated. Because it finds this on that index, and then it still puts that thing. It happens 5 times. Which is correct. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then it's done. And then it's and then here, but then it looks alright. Like I don't. It's a seg fault deal that's happened. Vulkan sig 50 when it's tried to create the instance. 39 graphics, create, allocate. Wait. Unavailable lips was not available. Trace may be incomplete. Segmentation. It has to be that it's not null terminated. Right? It cannot be anything else. Extension data, extension size plus 1. And if I remove this one, then I think we will not get the last one. Yeah, it fails. Wait a yeah, no, there's a potential that that could go horribly wrong, but it's not gonna happen because there's no extension called A, just A, so it should never happen.
Yeah, why not just like replace all of the spaces with null terminators and then loop over and then make like a stuff that checks like the in between what is and shit.
Wait, that we could do too, actually. Yeah, we could do it. But the thing is that the last one is already null terminated. That's why I think that this, and it's also in the list. Like you can see, it says 5. Wait, let me run it again. If I run it, it says there is the fourth element, which is this one. And the only way it can be here is if it gets null terminated, because it checks that the last one is a space anyways. So then it checks it and then it puts that one to be a 0. So it should still be able to, unless, what is this thing anyways? It's a std array. Nah, that didn't help. What if I remove the pointer cast? Well, now I broke it more. Yeah, no, that didn't work at all. Because now I'm trying to give it this, and this is not that, so it's pissed. What if I... Oh yeah, because then it will just be an array. I'm pretty sure that this should work. I'm so confused that it gives me a segmentation fault. I can't see why that would happen. I would like to just go in and view the data while running the program to actually see what every single character is. Because now I don't get
You can print it. You can print it.
How?
You print the string, but instead of doing any or s, you do. I mean, instead of doing s, you do any.
I have a better idea. I'm just gonna do this. It's gonna be a long fucking thing. Size plus 1. It's the same loop basically, but it's but I don't need to do it. I can just use the same loop. No, I can't because that one will be broke. No, I can do this. std debug dot log. No, not log, print. Fuck. And then I can say like this. I can say C, and then it will be I will do I. And what is for integers? Is it just I or D? What is it? I?
I.
Yeah, okay. And then I will do...
Well, that depends on unsigned or signed, but yeah.
Is it U for unsigned?
Yeah.
Okay. And then it will be C. I will do this. And C for character. Or what do you do for character?
Yeah, you can do C for character.
Okay. And I will literally just go like this. Instance extension data I, and then instance extension data I. This is my Beautiful. And then I need to yank it. And paste it. And then I have to do it like an else, because otherwise I will get it twice, and I don't want it to be twice. Like so. Maybe this will work. Maybe I need to do it in a separate way. Oh, I forgot the new line.
Every time.
Every time. I don't like new lines, you know, fuck the new lines. Boom. So now we can see this. So it says here. Why does it... I was supposed to get the integer value, not this thing. Huh. Look at that. But how can that be possible? Oh yeah, see. Okay. And then it C. And then empty one. An empty one. And that is interesting. Why did it get so many of the empty ones there then? It should not, that should not happen. Where did those come from? Where did those come from? What the fuck? Later the original 32 is UT. What? Well, I guess I don't need. I can use a space. But still, why did it complain about cannot print integer that has integer larger than 21 bits as an UTF? Why is it trying to print as a UTF when it's a
I don't know, when it's buggy.
So I just say I instead then?
Yeah, or the.
Okay, this is actually perfect. So then I can go back here and I can change this one also to be D. Perfect. Okay. So this is yes, so index 35 became 0. 74 is 0. But then this I don't understand. How can this happen? Okay, this one if was 0. I will just put 0. Oops. Like this. So it will stick out a bit more. Because then it's because we reached a end. Oh, look at that. That is interesting. Okay. So this one was because it was a 0. This one was also because it was a 0. Was a 0. Was a 0. But this one, this was not because it was a 0. It's happening too early. Okay. But how can that? Is it because I'll just do that. And let's see. Now I should have only one extra. Yeah, unless if I mess something else up. Index out of bound, yes. That's weird. That is... Oh, wait. Oh, right. Yeah, wait. Because it becomes... So now it should be only 1 extra. No, it's still 2 extra. Okay, now I don't know. Now I don't get it. Yeah, now it broke completely. Why is it... Where is it getting those 2 extra from? Where are they coming from? I don't get it. Where are they coming from? My mind is just blown.
2 bits, yes.
Yes. No, the 3 bits.
The byte.
I don't understand. Okay, there's another solution we can do this in. Which is disgusting. But it could...
No, not Doopsie. Don't tell me Doopsie.
What?
What?
Unable to... Oh my god, it's this disgusting. Oh no, redo that. Fuck. Why? This... We could send a complaint to Sigga out. This is horrible. I hate writing over. Let's see. It's still... Now it just ended those and added 3 extra. And it went len. And still doesn't say fault. I don't get it. Now I'm out of options. Because this doesn't make any sense that it would seg fault. Because now they are actually there. With the correct null termination. Even though they have extra. Like what we should be getting. That extension does not exist. That's what should be there. Not that shit.
Preliminary.
But that doesn't...
Preliminary. That's a solution for everything.
We are doing something wrong with the return. I swear, the return is wrong. Wait. The return has to be wrong. There's no other way this could happen. Why are the 2 null terminators extra there? Where are they coming from? This is just how this thing does it. It could work. But how? How? This doesn't make any sense. We should... Because then it gets... What does this function? Returns the array as it is supposed to return it. And then it breaks. Okay. These are just lies. It's lying to me now. I swear, it's lying to me. Extra extensions, then we pass them as the second parameter into here. It's supposed to be the second parameters. The length is 7 and then it breaks. I swear I had a smart idea and it was working quite well. But then somehow the string stops being null terminated somehow at some point.
Just replace all the spaces with null terminators.
Well, it wouldn't really matter because I'm already doing it manually in the for loop. So it would still do the same thing that I do. Wait a fucking minute. Isn't... Wait. In the return, we return a const array. Yeah, with null terminated strings. Yeah, that makes sense. And in here we are taking in a array with const null terminated string with const characters. Yes. I don't know how it can mess up anymore. Don't get it. I don't get it.
But what are they doing in the tutorial?
In what tutorial?
The one we are following.
Oh, they're doing the thing that we had before, basically.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't think this is better. I think this is worse. Yeah. No. Yes. Panic reached unreachable code when it was supposed to do the null termination. Or yeah, when it got to this point. So append assume capacity. I just changed it to that. But oh wait, is it because I need to do a try still? I don't know.
No, that doesn't need a try.
Well, now it does. Okay, it doesn't.
No.
I was trying to trade different. Like I don't know if append, but why would append misfix things? Fuck it up, you know. That doesn't make any sense. That it would, because it wouldn't. I just need to check. Like I don't know. Like I feel like it's not. Even though I null terminate the string, it's.
You're just trying to null that
Yeah.
string? What? Null terminate?
I'm trying to figure out why it's not null terminated, even though it should be null terminated. Yeah, that makes sense. That would be out of bounds. I'm just gonna try some weird shit right now because I'm very confused that started at indexes.
Ooh, I'll be back.
Yeah, because now it's taking the last ones. I'm thinking that this could maybe be the reason why, but now I just have that extra. Which doesn't make sense either, because if I just do this, then we don't have those extra. Then it should just say invalid layer or extension, but it still goes to a segfault. The only thing I could think of is that it's somehow not getting those null terminators. That's the only thing I could think of that would make sense that this wouldn't work. But besides that, I cannot see why this should not work. I will just do another
Where are you adding the null terminators?
here.
Oh, brother.
But isn't that the same?
Nope.
Unable to evaluate oh, oops. I did a bit too many undos. No, it's still segmentation fault. It is the same thing.
Well, this one is better. Anyways.
No, it's clear to read 0.
No. If we're doing stuff with strings, we don't do a number.
What? It's a character array. We can do numbers.
Yeah, but we don't.
And it's also, it saves 4 space. It saves, you are writing right now 5 things that could just take 1. You're writing something that's 5 times larger. That could just be 1. Wasn't the point with Sig to save space? Wasn't that the point?
No, lines are valuable, not space.
So we can write everything on one line and it's fine.
Yep.
Bro. Okay, I'm gonna do something crazy right now because why can I run this with the debugger?
Yep.
How?
LLDB.
Yeah, but can I see the actual variables then? What they have for data?
Nope.
Yeah, but that's what I mean
Nope.
with the debugger. You could do that in C++.
Well, yeah, but that's just because LLDB has like a C++ support.
I'm just gonna say an array of. I'm not gonna be really needing more than that. Can I just? No, it has to be fine. How do I put this so it's correct? Yeah, okay, they will have garbage values right now. Correct, good. And then I will say index or index word len. And then I will have var word. This is gonna be something crazy debugging shit, but just for the sake of this U8. And then here we can just say that this one will be plus. You cannot do plus in Sig. What?
Plus, what?
Why can I not just do plus for index? Am I stupid?
What? You can't do plus, you have to do plus equals 1.
Unclear identifier index. Oh yeah, I didn't call it that. I called it word index. And yeah, it's okay. Then, when I got all of these, I can go for loop. And now I can take each, well, basically what you do there. I can use the same for loop. std.debug.print master debug. I don't know. And I'm just gonna go ahead and call it. I don't understand, like, this feels like it should be so simple, but I'm fucking it up so badly. And I'm gonna go with an D. Plugin stitching. Okay. And then each element should be the index. So I should be able to just say dot extension. No, wait, what am I trying to do? I got Because I got, oh yeah, but I don't have, yeah. So word len word index is equal to now the length of the word, which will be I minus last. And then I can just say this one would be extensions, or it actually would just be XD. And then I should be able to access the from word len and then just passing in I. I'm just gonna put it in master, like so. That should give me the last character of all of them. Let's see. Integral overflow.
Yeah, there's an fix.
No,
You
no, no.
can't do overflows in this, like we have to do percentage after the operation.
No, wait, let me.
Also, Cheesecake Cat wants something in Wallenstein VR group chat.
Wait, let me just. I forgot I need to do a +1. There. So, master debug 86, 86. These ones should not be what they say they are. What is 86 anyways in ASCII? ASCII table. We'll check it real soon. 86. 86 is Vulkan IA because all of this start with VK. So I need to do -2 to get the actual character that is no terminated. Wait, what the fuck? If I have I go this. Wait, I want, math is wrong. Last. But I want the length of the word. I have where last is, and I have where I is. It needs to happen before. Like this. So I have I minus last, and that should be it. They are all null terminated. I don't get it. How it can get a seg fault, because all of these are null terminated. Now I'm pretty fucking sure about it. Okay, what did he want? In where? Here. You ever heard of? Welcome. A program not. Fuck yeah.
Yeah, but it's a little above. I don't know, man. I think he wrote some code for that. But I mean, if that shit works, I think the SQL is from somewhere.
But it has the dupe. But it's so weird because this should work. Like, I don't get it how it can seg fault from this, because
Well, doesn't it work though? Isn't it just that the SQL is from somewhere else?
wait, let me just if I'm gonna do this is gonna be nasty as fuck, but I just wanted to check if seg fault happens. No, it is from here. I have checked it. This is gonna be a dumbass fix, but it's something just to see if it's because of this. I have no idea, but now we'll figure out. Yeah, segmentation fault. But now at least we didn't get those extra ones. But I don't get it, because I confirm that both when we are processing the string, that the end character is a null terminated character. And then I also check when we store them, append them, that the actual character at the end is also a null character, which it is. And then we are just simply passing it back into here, which says that they have to be null terminated. So they are null terminated. And then you go to create instance, which then takes them in as null terminated and pass them in. Wait, where do they go? Ah, .ptr.
You know, I have a super good. Okay, hear me out. Hear me out.
Let me just try one more thing. Cast, ptr cast.
No, that doesn't help. No, no Peter cast here, please.
It will help. No.
Trust me. No, it doesn't help. It doesn't help. It doesn't help.
Boom,
It
no
doesn't
seg
help.
fault. No, it's seg fault, and I'm just kidding. But
Yeah, that's what.
I don't get it. Is it? How can it? Why? It makes no sense, because that's like, it's literally the same structure as it's in. Where am I? I'm in main. Where did the TMP thingy go? Where did it go? What are you doing?
Yeah, look in here. I'm doing stuff. Okay, look at this. Bam! What a good solution.
But that's unused function parameter
We can.
allocated.
Yeah, no, we can come back to this later.
No.
Yes. Just make it work, and then we shall make it good afterwards.
But-
After like a long
But
time.
now with this, actually, I wanna try. What if you just did this? Why is this one complaining? Ah. Okay. And then you did this. And then you just returned extensions. Or it won't work, right? Yeah. Because if you run this on your machine, I don't know if you would have the same extensions, which would make everything just super weird if we try to, you know, do it like this. It wouldn't make sense, because you will have different kinds of extensions, you know, and somebody else might have something else. So
Well, you know what I should say to that? I don't know. Fuck those people. Okay. Just make it work.
but this okay, let's take was it
I think everyone is gonna have the same one basically. Anyways.
Endoa. Let's
And oh yes.
shall we do what he did in the? Oh man, it's so sad, because it's there, but it gives a segmentation fault, even though it's null terminated. Does the last doesn't need the double pointer doesn't need a null termination character, right? No, it doesn't. Does it? No, does it?
It's a pointer, no.
It's a double pointer, so I'm assuming it might need. But you also pass in the size, which should also be correct. So what if this is so dumb? Like it's the memory is correctly aligned, it's correctly assigned, and yet it gives me that it's a segmentation fault. And the only thing that could make a segmentation.
So we move. Just keep it like those, like hard coded ones that we can just move on from this shit for a while. We can come back to it later when we have Andrew here.
I guess. Wait, fuck, did I comment out the wrong one? No? Yes? I don't know. Okay. But now we still need X orbits. Wait, what the fuck? Line monitor.
Nah, we actually don't need this loader. It's gonna be good later, but like we have something already.
Fuck. Okay. But okay.
It runs, right?
Yeah. And now we're at the get instance proc address.
Bah. That's in Vulkan.
Yes, that's in Vulkan. That's sick. Oh man. I mean, I could actually work on that later on when we start splitting more work. When we don't need to be that dependent on each other, or like creating this whole thing so integrated to one another's stuff. But I still hate it. Let me just write. I'm gonna write
Yeah.
to do. They're big to do. It's just pissing me off. Like it's there. Everything is right. I don't get it.
Yeah, but when Andrew comes here, he will look at it and he will be like, yeah, okay, we'll just fix that and that and that, okay, wow, and then it will run perfectly.
Okay. Okay, so in Vulkan, what do we do now with the proc get address thing? It was at what line? 66.
Yeah, I don't know really what to do there, and sadly I'm gonna have to leave you hanging here because I need to go. And also I probably won't be here tomorrow.
Where will you be, huh?
I will
And
be outside for the first time in like 2 weeks.
Ah, damn. What about the day after tomorrow?
Yeah. Then I'm here.
What the fuck does this? You're gonna leave me at this point where? What is this?
Yeah, okay. You know what? I can probably help you with that really quick. Okay, so that is some meta programming. It just gets the raw thing. You don't worry about it. Just have a pointer guess at the end, and everything will be fine. Okay.
Just have a pointer.
Good.
Okay. Just have a pointer.
Yes, just have pointer guess. Yes, just don't touch any return thing. Just do logic. Okay. But see ya.
See ya.
And see ya, everyone
See ya.
else. Also, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Right. Do. Right. You. What does dry stand for?
Do not repeat yourself. Don't repeat yourself.
Ah, yeah. I repeat myself always. But let's see. So there isn't really anything else, and I think we also got. Well, yeah. Now we don't do much with memory because we don't need any. Let's see. It says that get function 66. Okay, that was all I wanted. I think, did he change something? I'm just gonna run it one more time to see that it's on line 66. It's line 66. Return get proc address. And that's a function that I cannot really manipulate myself, so Vulkan get function get instance proc address. What? That's literally the error thing in itself. Like, it fails to get it.
And it sucks.
That sucks a lot. So maybe the name is wrong? Let's see. It tries to get Vulkan, it's from 82. And 82 happens here. And then it's... Why are we doing a pointer cast for the instance? That doesn't make any sense. Why would you do that? I would do a pointer cast here. It is the right thing already. Yeah. 82, and then this thing is called from Sigmain 30. Okay, so then it's from here, and we're passing in the VK instance, which is it's literally just created here. Okay, so that is also assuming that the instance is valid, which it probably is. I'm just gonna see if this is a very hard thing to read, so I'm just gonna go lol. Let's check it out. Provides detailed information vulcan layers being discovered. The system. Here's the breakdown. Searching implicit layer. Okay, so this is just information. It's not really anything that goes wrong. Good. Okay. So then it's just this. I don't really get the confirmation, but I assume because the application didn't crash that the instance is valid. Which is weird because the only other thing that could be broken is either that the naming is wrong or the return of the type is wrong. This log issue specified ready to Vulkan OpenX integration break. This is the root cause of the failure. Get instance proc is a fundamental function used to retrieve pointers Vulkan extension function when it returns null, meaning no in your get wrapper. It indicates that the requested function could not be found. Function that you're is trying to VK debug utils. Did we get it actually from here? We are not. We need to add this one actually too. And then I'm gonna write a reminder to do I'm just gonna do it like this. Extra ext add manually. How about that?
How about that?
Instance extensions. We should have also gotten these ones. Where's the count? System buffer count. Device extensions data, device extension size. Oh, look at that. This is perfect. We're back at the same problem, but within a different place. This is gonna be fun. So now I can try to fix this thing that I tried to fix here from before, but basically the same logic. It's annoying. It's really annoying. Because it's basically this, and then I'm telling it, yeah, this will be fixed with this, but then again we will have the same issues that we have had before, because it's probably not gonna. Here, we can create device, enable layer is null. If, did my terminal just freeze? Well, that's fantastic. I'm gonna go grab an apple. Fuck. I'm back. With an apple.
Welcome back.
Well, thank you. Okay. I think my terminal died. Terminal.
Ah, shit.
I can't kill it either. It's okay. I will just start a new one. And I will force it over to here, and I will just cover it like nothing happened. Yeah. Okay, let's read again. So. Mm. If it's not 0, must be in a. That makes sense. But how? Okay, I haven't read this part yet. But this is at 0. My bad. We're not gonna run with any extensions right now, so I'm just gonna put this to that. But did I read wrong? Well, I can't eat apple and think at the same time. That's too much brain power.
Well, that is way too much brain power.
I suck at multitasking, bro. That sounded like. Imagine if I just ended that sentence there. I don't suck. Oh. So even if you don't have, it still need to be a valid pointer to just null terminated
Bro?
strings.
That's wild.
Wait, can't you just do? Is that like a thing that is okay? Are we cool? I don't think we are cool. Right. It's not a double pointer. Fuck. I was close. But close doesn't count. Damn, apples are good. They're so sweet.
Yeah. Damn, what do I like Honeycrisp. Those are like the best. God damn, Honeycrisp.
Honeycrisp. What are those?
Honeycrisp apples, yeah. So it's a type of apple that's just like fucking super. It's just really tasty.
I don't know. I just eat whatever apples I find.
Damn, now there's definitely some bad variants apples. Like there's like the ones that are made like that are good for baking and like applesauce and pies and stuff like that. And like, if you like eat them, like I don't know, they're not very good. I can't think of the names off the top of my head.
Huh.
Granny Smith maybe, but like the inside is very I don't know, fluffy, if that makes sense. So it's just like I don't know. For me, it's like I don't know. So they're not like a good apple for munching. Can I have some more of those fancy apples for the munching, like Honeycrisp? Damn. Yeah, next time you go to the store, just like see, because you'll see that there'll be like a bunch of different apples, you know, and just grab like a Honeycrisp. They're generally the expensive ones, and that's for a reason.
Like just a normal apple.
No, dude, you don't even like what? You don't even know, man. Like there's apples, like not just the apple, like there's apples. They're all fucking yeah. Damn, you're still young, man. Oh, I don't know. I've worked in kitchens and food for fucking couple decades. So
I mean, those looks like your everyday apple. I'm telling you.
nah, Honeycrisp is like maybe you are eating the Honeycrisp, and that's why you're enjoying it so much. Because like, damn, like that's the apple.
Maybe.
The flesh is like firm and
Yeah.
it cracks, and it cracks when you bite it.
Yeah.
It's got a good crunch.
Yeah.
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 All right.
Wait, let
And
me.
it's not green.
No.
And it's not green.
No, it's not. It's not. Wait, let me read.
Because there's green ones that have like the same texture, but those are like more sour.
I don't know. It says Royal Gala. I don't know what the fuck that is.
Yeah. I don't know. Yeah. I guess this is kind of good, but I think now that I'm thinking of it's like damn, I just had the name. It was like just like the Macintosh apple. No. What is it? It's I don't know, cooking apple or something. Fuck.
Damn. Now we got a lot of errors. Oh, they are fantastic. And I don't think there are leaks. They are leaks. Fuck. I think they are leaks. They are probably leaks. They are leaks. Yeah, these are leaks. They are leaks. Free. No. It seems the freed thing, but I think this will be also written to a better. Device extension not supported by selective physical device or enable layers. Yes. That's fine. Now we're just stuck at the same problem that I'm facing with the other thing. It's pissing me off. It's
Is it?
Yeah, it's pissing me off. I don't get it. It's so weird. Because this will literally be just that here we're getting the extensions. We're printing the instance extensions, aren't we? Let me just. Oh wow, there's so much. Okay. So here are the instance extensions. None. Really? Well then, that's just makes things even more convenient, because what we can do is literally the same thing as we did here. We just comment it out and make it static for now and get back to it later. So no biggie.
Biggie.
Which later it will probably be right now for me, because nobody else is working on this thing. So why don't I just make it? You know. But I will see how far I can take this, just so I can make people happy that something is running. Why am I making it so hard for myself? Boom. And then we'll just return that.
Coming from the only guy with the VR headset here.
Yeah. Did I try to do something dumb again? Seek 238. Yeah, I did try to do something very dumb. Found expected error unit found. Oh yeah, I don't need to try. And let's see. I'm very confused. Okay, let's see. Using NVIDIA GeForce Vulkan error VK debug report object type device extension object device has not been destroyed. Vulkan specs that all child objects that were created with the instance or with the physical from it, and that the destroy freed must have destroyed or freed prior to destroy instance. Oh yeah, so we actually ran through the whole thing now, and we are just destroying stuff incorrectly. But besides that, it's pretty good.
Mm.
Yeah, we cannot destroy the
Okay.
instance before we have destroyed all of the other things. The instance needs to be destroyed last.
What happens if you do zig build test?
The fuck is that?
Just do zig build test, not run or whatever. Yeah,
Oh
same.
wait, I did
Do,
something. Invalid free.
ran the test real quick.
Let me
Or I
just
guess
let me
whatever.
just get these ones.
Yeah. He's cook.
Yeah, yeah.
But don't forget, I'll be back in a minute.
Using PK destroy. Ah yeah, we are not so objects or it's not destroyed. We can all child objects with PK fuse retrieved from it free. So we need to destroy the. Here we're trying to destroy the VK instance. But now we also need to destroy probably these ones. They do not have a. No, let's get. Bruh, I'm stupid as fuck. Oh my god. Let's put main over here. And then we have create the logical device. Where do we have the physical device? Wait, this one. Yeah. But this one just gets the physical device. It's nothing more about it. But then logical device here. Create logical device. Find that. And let's see here. Creates device. But this one does not have any deferred. Can I just say deferred? I don't know how SIG really works. But I assume. I don't like to assume.
Assume to not assume.
Because if I just assume that I could do a defer, I would like to read an example on this. To be honest, if I'm. Let's see. Where do we say defer? These are not the ones that I'm trying to find here. Okay. And this one is just. Yeah, then this one is calling all of these, but we cannot, because these ones are just, it's not when it, is it maybe? Could it work? Could that perhaps even maybe be working? I mean, let's try it. I mean, worst case it doesn't work. That's my worst case scenario. Like, it can't get worse than that, and then I just don't do it. So we go in here, we create logical device, we create it here, then I say defer vk C vk destroy destroy device like so. Fuck. And what does it take in? It wants a. So it wants the device, which is it? Yeah, so it's the device that just created. So we'll just say local device, and then it wants the allocator. Yeah, we don't have we use the Vulcans inbuilt, and then after that, callback. The fuck is the callback? Ah, pointer device. Does it say that as well? No, it does. Wait, device. PL callback. Am I stupid? This one takes the physical device. P create info. P allocator. Ah, okay. So that's it. Those only two params. Okay, let's see. using VK destroy instance object. Yeah, so now its VK has not been destroyed. So it hasn't destroyed the debug yet. But that it should destroy it right here. Oh no, that's the XR. Oh yeah, there's the VK. Oh no, we don't need a defer. We just need to do it. Okay. Self.vk instance. Self.vk debugger. And it still doesn't. It's just. Let me just try this. VK destroy. Oh, it's from here. Select. We don't have a destroy for this thing. No, we don't. But we have a destroy for this one, which is probably something I can just recreate. I assume it will be quite similar. So at what point do we get system? It's right underneath the function create debug, so I will also do it here. Create debug messenger there. Fuck, I didn't copy it. Of course I did not copy it. Yank that. Paste it in there. Delete these lines. And this will not, it will just be destroy debug messenger. We will take in a VK instance instead of a VK instance, like so. And this will not be it will be a VK debugger. Do we even need to destroy it? How do you? Okay, I'm not gonna guess this. This is just gonna be stupid if there's just literally a VK destroy or something like that. Then I'm just like, then I'm just trying to do weird shit for no reason. And you know, I like doing weird shit.
Why not?
I like doing weird shit, but not for a
me
reason. Not for without a reason.
Oh.
You know, it has to be a reason to do weird shit.
Right.
Vulkan. Actually, I think the Vulkan tutorial has a great example of how to destroy this. So we're gonna check that one out. Let's see. Overview. Setup. I think it's probably here with this one. Debug. Here. What the? Yeah. Setup debugger. Create the debugger. User create info extension. Yes. And they're not destroying it. Okay, take me to the fucking page. Here. Here. So take the instance debug, the allocator, and then I don't even remember. Did I even do this? This looks so weird for me. Destroy. Okay, I'm just gonna take this and translate it, but you know it's whatever. Boom. Okay, so that's what this function returns. Destroy util extension, but we can instead just take in the Vulkan instance. And how did we do it in here? We take this thing. So we just do the same here. We say cvk debug utils message ext. And it doesn't exist. What the fuck? Did I just do a massive typo? EK deals message extension. There it is. It was there all along. I don't know. EK debug message messenger extension debug. Yes. And just do that. So then we don't need to take the P allocator because we will just use the normal one. And then here, this will just be vk destroy debug utils, and then we have this. This is the same get vk. Yeah, it's just get vk in this case instead of xr. Vk and this would be like that, and we will try to get this thing like that, paste that in there, catch unreachable, and then yeah, that should be pretty much it. Fuck. I think so. Except for that it's this. And so now if I go in here, boom, and let's see. Oh, expected type found C vk destroy expected a struck vku extension, but it got a, what the fuck is the difference between utils messenger? I'm tripping right now. What the fuck? I read the same thing on both of the sides. Got, oh yeah, xr. Okay, now I see. Wait, if you don't store it, create debug messenger. There it is. Okay, yeah, we don't store it. vk debug messenger c vk utils messenger extension, and then here vk debug messenger is equal to, and then something happened to the highlight. I feel like something broke. Comma. What else? Is there something? Okay, yeah, it broke. I do that, and then we don't need to do that anymore. And then we can, yeah, that. And did I not update it? Expected sig Vulkan 95. Oops. vk destroy debug utils extension, like so. And 3 organs found 1. Right. This one needs to take in the, what is it supposed to take in? It wants the instance. Instance that, and then I will pass in null. And bada bing bada boom, it went further and then loading layers. Did it go through? No problems? Bro. That's crazy. Okay. I'm just gonna update the boys on the new status. I'm pretty happy about that.
That's good, man.
Yeah. Let me take a beautiful screenshot. And it actually also, like, everything's being freed. Like...
Oh yeah, do that test thing. Zig build test.
Oh yeah. So let me just...
Oh, yes.
Fix the... Just need to fix the... We use static strings ATM. Alright. I'm just gonna push this, so git check out dash branch. I'm gonna, oh no, okay. Ground work. And then I'm gonna git add dot git commit dash m. The base works. Just need to do work extensions. Git push. That thing. Now I'm gonna type that out because I need to learn that this is what I need to do. Stream origin. Can I do a tab now? Oh. Lucas, do you know what is freeing?
Alright. Did you do it? No, you didn't. Damn. It's hard here for peace. Just trying to get my money for the rent.
How did this increase to 6 now? Oh yeah, because I added. Wait, XR stands and stands. Let me just, before I try, here, I should make the pool. But okay, so what do you want me to run?
Just zig build and then a test at the end. It's just like not run test.
Just zig build?
Build test.
Test. Was
okay,
it?
Yeah.
Okay.
You get better logs when you're running the errors. Like you just got the basic stuff. Like you'll get better logs if you do. Zig
but
build
don't you have to build it, like set up the test somehow?
No, it runs through your zig files. Like it it's imagine it's like zig build verbose, you know, or some shit like that, but I don't think it has verbose. Or maybe it does.
Let's see.
I don't know. Put in an error real quick and then do zig build run and then do zig build test.
Okay, I don't know how to. I will forget to free some memory, I guess. I don't know. Do I need to run it also afterwards? Like this? Okay, well then it just looks the same. Ah, wait.
Is it?
Yeah, wait. Yeah, it's layers. Yeah, everything is the same. It looks like these are errors, but this is just a lot of information.
Interesting.
Yeah.
I guess I'll have to.
But I would assume that you would have to write like some
Maybe
tests
there is like
yourself.
a test, like maybe there is like a test file type or
Yeah.
something you write.
That would make sense for me personally. Like,
I don't know. You didn't really jump on that with the TypeScript right. You know, you should probably just kind of figure out what kind of like extra debugging that you can get like straight from the beginning, so you're not dancing around.
I like dancing.
If it's possible. If it's possible, you know?
Yeah, no, I agree. Like writing tests, but I'm not that like test-driven development makes sense for something like TypeScript, but for this, I'm like, well, I guess there's not too many moving pieces yet. But I guess when you get to the point where you want to add more, like actually game mechanics and things needs to start interacting with each other, and you need to start moving more things around. And you change one thing, you would like to quickly run one test where, for example, if you deal damage to an enemy, and let's say now we changed damage system that you still want to see that all of does that enemies take damage in air, does the enemy take damage underwater, does the enemy take damage at all, if they heal, do they take damage now all of a sudden, like these kind of things, you know, because you can write something slightly different and now all of a sudden some edge case doesn't work anymore, you know. Well, it's a stupid example that I brought up, but I think you get what I'm trying to say. And you don't, because
I get what you're trying to say.
you don't want to do that manually, like trying to get an enemy up in the air, then underwater, and then you want to see if you heal them. Like, just instead run a test where you don't really need to do all of this thing. You just put the values in, and it just runs the test for you. Let's see what.
That'd be nice.
Yeah, but no parallel names, unfortunately. What did they write? What is a dispatcher? I haven't used this. Sig is actually ridiculously good for metaprogramming. I just can't believe how it's good it actually is. If you could get the type in Rust. Okay, let's see. What is a dispatcher? Asking, because I don't know. Okay, but that's pretty good. I think, like, actually we are this now. Next step is actually making those goddamn graphics pipeline and the triangle. That's the next step.
Ooh, sounds like fun.
Or, well, I still should fix the.
Damn, you're gonna cream once that triangle's on the screen.
You better get protection. I don't need protection.
You should better just kind of get set up so you have compatibility with the dream language.
No. Dream language.
Wait, what?
Is dream language like? Is it something that you're creating or?
Have you not looked? Here, take a look right now. You might as well.
Yeah, might as well.
Damn, I've been going hard on it. It's in your favorite language, C.
Oh, it's in C? I love C. C is the best.
I know you love C.
C is the best. Look at this. Oof. I don't know where this Nix is coming from.
Nah, yeah, I was looking at the.
Oh wait, there you sent it. The Dream Compiler. Dream Compile. Dream is an experimental compiler. Is this AI generated slop or have you actually written this to yourself? I'm just need to be prepared.
the readme's always generated slop. I ain't writing all that shit.
Yeah, you
But
just
like that's honestly like that's honestly like where it shines the most. Like like just doing like small repetitive tasks where it's just kind of writing. No, I kind of like will tell it what to write out.
Dream is an experimental compiler that translates C# style language called Dream into C code using SIG as the build system. The project is still evolving, but already compiles as a subset of languages. This repo contains the compiler source, regression test, and documentation. Oh, just you're trying.
Yeah, the website's kind of broken, but there's a website at the top.
There's a website that.
Yeah, it's underneath the nightmare. And you got dark mode on the top right.
You're already in version 1. You're ahead of SIG.
go over to dark mode.
Dark mode. Oh. My eyes.
Let's see, it's so much better.
Yes. But is it like how is it writing like your own language? It's pretty. I wonder what is SIG error not low. Okay.
It's like C. Zig is like it's C.
Brotenin. Is it?
Dude, I'm fucking pretty sure it's got to be written in C. Cause that's what that's what it shits. It's written in itself, but but it's okay. It's a self-written language.
That's interesting.
TypeScript does the same thing too.
Since
I could see how it's possible, but like you have to build it from another language at first. But then like I could see how I could start converting mine to my my compiler to my own language now, but it still needs a couple more things.
But I wonder. So wait. What? Let me just ask this because
Damn! You can actually do quite a bit with my language right now, like quite a bit. You can write like a program.
Itself, which is a process known as self-hosting. However, it's important to note that the very first version of SIG compiler often refers to as stage 1 was initially written in C++ to leverage LLM ecosystem. SIG developed more, and well, this is also AI-generated response, so but still.
No, that makes sense though, because they can't just make the like it's got to be built on something first. Like it's just how it works. There is like the self-written languages, but you gotta like build to a point, and then you start replacing shit with your own language. That's probably why it's so compatible with C++.
But I wonder, like, is it like, I don't know, because if you start from C++, you can't just start replacing. Like, you still need some core functionality because it's. Here's the breakdown. Usually the first version was indeed written as a necessary step for a new language. To compile the new language code before you can write the compiler in the new language itself, leverages LLM, which is a powerful compiler instruction, self-hosting. It's been very active working towards achieving self-hosting.
It makes sense.
Depending on the bootstrapping process for within SIG itself, and that download and build SIG, you're usually building self-hosting compiler backend. Okay. So wait, it's actually just purely. There's no highly optimized executable is frequently utilized the LLM VM, which is written in C++. So it's not that the entire compiler is still, but rather interacts with C++-based components, allowing for a crucial part of the compilation process. Long-term goal is to further reduce or make LLM optional dependency. Just compile with my fucking compiler. You're right.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay. Interesting. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. I think that's cool. Let's see what is happening. I don't even have to go fix conflicts immediately. Just a struct that holds all the loaded functions pointers. Oh. Okay. Cool. Cool. But yeah, it's
And I got syntax highlighting too, so
Damn.
it's like it doesn't just look like a white text file, like it's it sees
I think you're lying.
variables
I
and
think you're lying.
really?
Yeah.
Nah, I got icons and everything, dude. I don't think you understand how far I am in this shit.
Yeah, that's why I think you're lying.
Why isn't this showing up? Okay, there.
Create instance.
Are you ready?
Wait. Call you join clip. Enable your voice. Maybe record. Wait, what? What happened?
I'm not recording.
Oh, okay.
But
No,
it's
no,
said
no.
my streamer mode is on. Yeah.
Okay, I'm watching.
Like technically, I am recording.
Can
So
I
look,
can I put it on the
these here.
stream?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, show.
This is my dream files. Yeah, I got an icon here.
Oh, okay,
dot
okay.
dream.
Pretty cool.
See, it's got the syntax highlighting still missing some things, but I'm still adding. But yeah, you got all that, and you got the icons on the side here too. Some good ones. And then hold on, we'll show you here. We'll go to the beautiful Zig build. Zig build. You know that one?
Mm-hmm.
And then we will parse. So I think this one works. I think that's actually this one here. No, we'll do advanced OP. Do I think it's new object? Yeah, we'll do that one. So then it compiles. See how the file changed? See, it compiles to this one.
Mm-hmm.
And then it basically turned, where is it? Advanced OP, new object. It turned this dream code right here
Mm-hmm.
into this bit of code here. Like, oh, actually, no, it made the strut up here too.
Yeah.
And this is just some sugar up here and stuff like that. And then this is the error because I'm in the middle of trying to install my own runtime libraries. Because like I was just I literally have console write line, like these are like hard coded like Lexar tokens because I just want to be able to like convert a printout. That was just how I did it. It's gonna stay like that for right now, but until I figure out how to actually compile my own runtime libraries in it, I'm getting on it. But it'll print out this, and then yeah, I can run the code and sorry.
We can run the code.
We just talked about we just talked about that error. So now we can run it now. And then I got a 5. So what did we say here? We got person age. Yeah, p dot age equal 5. Print line. There we go. It's 5 right there. And then I should be able to go like 69 420 whatever.
That's
and
not
then
that.
recompile. Recompile. We'll get
rid of
rid of this piece of shit again, and then we'll be able to call dream, and then look, there you go, 699420.
That's pretty cool. I like it. I wanna write my own. I wanna write my own compiler so I can go compile with my.
Right, that's basically why I gotta do it. So
fantastic. Oh, that's amazing.
So that's where we're standing so far. But we got syntax highlighting somewhat. We got some icons. It's for 3 days of work. I think I'm doing all right.
Huh.
I think I spent a lot of time in Unity doing like parsing projects where I'm parsing just like shit into other different types of file formats and passing data around like even though like I'm not even like paying attention to like the C, that's like I just get the AI to do that.
This is gonna be interesting. I need to talk with Harold about how we create this graphics pipeline because I think we might need to put this into some helper or separate file or something because we will need different graphics pipelines that need to be able to be created in different steps of the thing. So and they will need different kind of setups and shit. So I need to talk with him.
Yeah, I did find out today too that the Zig compiler can transcribe C code into Zig code. So, do I hear Dream into C into Zig? Is that what I'm hearing?
Oh, hell yeah. And then Sig into my thing, this thing.
Yep.
Yep. It's all.
That's what I'm thinking.
It's all there. It's all there. It's already Dream compatible.
That's what I'm thinking. I want to make like the Dream scripts will be like more of like I would say less worry about, like, you don't have to worry about memory at all. Like it's gonna have, like, you know, what C# and all these other fancy ones, kind of like automatic garbage collection. But then I'm gonna have nightmare files, which are like still compatible with the compiler. Like it's gonna share kind of the same syntax, but it's gonna differ in a way where you actually have to manage your memory, and you'll be able to like use them like coherently with each other.
Huh.
So if you decide to, you know, just do some Dream files where you don't have to care about, you know, memory, but if you actually don't want to get into the weeds and start managing the memory or something, you can do the nightmare file.
That sounds like a nightmare.